Yo, what's going on? Just gonna do a little video washing the cars that we bought yesterday and seeing what we can actually do, or seeing if there is anything to work with the paint. So at the moment they are both in the same state we picked them up in. Paint doesn't actually look that bad in some parts, but there's rust on most of them. Obviously they were sitting for quite a while. We now know that the Techno Violet one was sitting for at least 10 years and the MOT for at least 10 years. So I'm just going to show you the state on the outside. So someone's had to go here with a pressure washer before, I think, because the rest of the roof is in hell of a state. The Techno Violet one. Sorry if there is any wind noise, there's not a lot we can do. There's trees everywhere with acorns falling off them. Due to be up in the air at any time soon. As you can see, they're not extremely bad for being sitting outside for the amount of time they have been. So we'll see what happens when I start. I'm just going to give them a quick pressure wash down, then some snow foam maybe, quick wipe over, and then another pressure wash, and then we'll see what's there. Get back to you. Lovely. So yeah, we've got a bit of a leak in the hose pipe already. I'm going to get soaked doing this, so we'll see what happens now. Yeah. Still quite a few marks on them. But it's not even been touched with a sponge at all. So we get a sponge out now, give them a quick going over. Techno Violet actually looks as if it's going to be quite decent paint still underneath. So we'll find out now. So they're all formed up. This one's not getting as much love as the other one because this one's 99% going to be broken because of the state of the interior. But you can see the shine just from a little bit of water and a small wash. So we'll rinse them all down and then see what's going on. See what happens. The Violet one looks pretty clean actually. Nowhere near as much rust as we were expecting, I don't think. Obviously it's just still wet, so it may dull down slightly once it's dried up. considering it's not probably had a wash in 10 years. It's not, the paint is in quite good condition, still needs a good clean, to be honest. This one's even coming back decent. Right, so that's going to be it for today. The Techno Violet, it come up really well, to be honest, compared to what it was when we brought it here yesterday. As I said, we're not going to do an awful lot with the body work wise on the Montreal Blue one, because it's going to be stripped. So it's mainly, the focus is on the Techno Violet bit. See if we can get a nice, when the sun's on, even with just a quick wash, it doesn't actually look that bad. So keep watching the channel and you'll find out what our plans are with them. Thanks for now.